Well, hello, y'all. Here I thought I'd take just a little different viewpoint of what's going on here with the Brian's Bus Adventure. As you know, I probably have been saying, I think I've been saying lately anyway, about a air leak, a major air leak in the bus, and that's in the air suspension, air brakes, whatever you want to call it. It's all interconnected. Well, because of my advanced aging, I just couldn't really hear the air leak. And my best bud came in the other day, and I said, man, I'd sure like to find this air leak because the bus on the right-hand side, the bus suspension is just dropping down, and the air pressure was going down just about as fast as I could put it in. So I thought, well, my gosh, you got to get this fixed somehow. Anyway, Justin came in and said, yeah, I hear an air leak. And I go, really? I don't hear anything. So he came over to the old dash here, and the air supply line that goes to the pressure gauge, and I'll show it to you in just a second, has a major split in it. So what I have to do today is I have to go back over to the old package store, the box store, the big box store, and go ahead and see if I can find an adapter or two. I'm going to take it from the big, basically a soft line that had it on there before, been on there since probably 2000 or 1972. There we go. And it just finally burst and went. But it's a big line about that long, about that big around. So I'm going to replace it with a DOT approved nylon line. Same thing that they use on all the brakes on the outside of the bus. So I'm going to go show you that in just a second, show you the old, and then I'm going to go to the box store, get the adapters, come back in and replumb this thing up, and again have a good air pressure gauge, and maybe the air pressure will stay up on the bus. Yeah, at least that'll eliminate one huge leak. Anyway, hope you're enjoying this as we plow through this bus and kind of get everything ready to go for the big journey, whenever that will be. Hoping, by this fall this thing will be ready to go, and we will be on the road again, not with Charles Kuralt, but on the road, because this is, as we say, this is the Brian's Bus Adventure. And if you like it, please go ahead and click the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. We enjoy that. And it helps us with the algorithms and whatnot. So again, one other thing I wanted to show you before we get going here. I've done something else, something else in the bus that I kind of wanted to show you and see if it'll work here with this GoPro. If you turn the light on over here, let's see if that comes. Oh, I had the electricity off, I forgot. Let's see. Yeah, the toilet's been fixed. And, well, almost fixed. I still have the 3-inch pipe that's going to go down through the floor into the black tank to elongate. And I'm going to do that with one of those rubber boots that has the hose clamps on both ends of it, and expand that up just far enough where I can go ahead and get that in place. So, again, that's a couple things that we're going to try to make happen today on the Brian's Bus Adventure. Airline for the air gauge and toilet expansion rubber ring, whatever you want to call it, that'll get that toilet all finished and hooked up then. Again, thanks again for watching, and this is the Brian's Bus Adventure. Oh yeah, as I said also, here is the line that ran up to that air pressure gauge. And again, it's probably been on there since 1972, but you can see where it's cracked, and it was just absolutely flowing air out exponentially, or as fast as you could put it in. Anyway, that's the line, and that's what I'm going to replace with the 1/4-inch nylon line, the DOT approved line, and DOT approved press-in fitting. So that's what we're doing today. Well, y'all, as you can probably see, I'm going to show you how much the bus is leaning to the passenger side. Air is completely down on that side, not so bad on the other side. So I think there's probably an additional leak here somewhere that I will find. Well, it is down as far. I guess the bus is just sitting at a kind of cattywampus angle here. So again, I think that fixing that line now may go ahead and fix the challenge of the bus losing air pressure.